Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. VeChain is also coming down. I did give you for this alternate count here in one of the previous videos a support area, but the question is now for many of these coins that we're dealing with, this move down, is it a wave 2 and it actually looks a bit too impulsive for a wave 2? Or is it going to be a larger reset of this wave 2? Yeah, so do we have off the 10th of March low a 1-2 setup, and this is another 1-2, just sort of in a diagonal structure? Or do we have an A wave down, an overshooting B wave, and a C wave down? And to be honest, looking at this structure, that seems to me most likely, which means I'm now in favor of a reset of this wave 2, just due to the fact how strong we come down here, yeah, how impulsive this is. But first let me change the timestamp here of the chart. It seems like we're gonna head back into our first trend reversal area that we had on the chart. I'm not gonna take this one out yet here in orange, but there is a good chance that we come back and retest this one, yeah, the larger one, in a reset of this wave 2. Yeah, that this here was an ABC, correct, but that of the ABC, the last wave down was actually the larger A. This here is a B wave, and we're coming down now in a C wave. And we talk about targets in this video now. Important overall is that it's holding the 1.9 cent level, 1.96. This is the 10th of March low. Below that level, it will get very difficult for VeChain to maintain an overall uptrend. But at the moment, this looks actually quite likely. Wave 1 up, A down in 3 waves, overshooting B wave, which can happen after a 3-wave structure in A. And now we come down in C. But then it takes very long, this correction now. Yeah, we need to acknowledge that as well, compared to how long the wave 1 was. Now again, in the alternative count, we have here another 1-2 setup. Now, how far down can this reset of wave 2 actually go? Well, first of all, this support area here becomes relevant again. I'm not going to move it over yet, but it's between 2.07 cents and 2.23 because this is the initial support area for the wave 2. So it is still relevant because I measure it, of course, by measuring the move, the beginning of the wave 1 to the top of the wave 1. And it just means that we had here this extended correction. So the low would still be the same, only below 2.07 cents. The reset of the wave 2 will get very unlikely, and this 1-2 setup is probably not going to work out anymore, and then the 1.94 cent level will become relevant. But we can also measure it, the target, by taking the length of the A wave. We go to the high of the B wave, and then we're looking for, let me just do that correctly, we're looking for, as a first target, typically the 1-to-1 ratio. Now that was now reached. Yeah, if it stops here and turns around, so this is certainly now a level to watch. The 1-to-1 ratio at 2.29 cents. Yeah, it's sort of a common target for a C wave. In that case, if it turns around here, this would be a so-called running flat. A wave down, overshooting B wave, C wave down, 1-to-1 ratio reached. First common target in a C wave of a flat pattern. And we could then turn around from here. Doesn't mean we do. We need to see some signals. I don't see any strong signals yet, no buy signals. Next relevant level would be the 2.06 cent level, pretty much overlapping with the 2.07 cents level, the 78.6 retracement of that support area. That's the 1.618 extension, the next very common one. So we've got a bit of fib confluence down here. These are not super reliable levels, but they are certainly levels to watch. All right, that's my update about VeChain. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.